Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning LLMs, Tailoring Language Models to Your Needs. Imagine a parrot that's memorized every book ever written. That's kind of what a large language model, LLM, is. It's a huge computer program that understands and generates human-like text. We'll learn how they work at a high level, focusing on what's important for developers. Our super smart parrot might be great at general conversation, but what if you need it to write perfect marketing copy? Fine-tuning is like teaching the parrot a new language, specialized to your specific need. This makes it much more accurate and efficient for your particular tasks. Think of a puppy. Initially, it's untrained. General training teaches it basic commands. Fine-tuning is like specialized training, teaching it to retrieve specific objects or perform tricks. We're teaching the LLM to be excellent at one specific task instead of being decent at many. Just as you need the right treats to train a dog, you need the right data to fine-tune an LLM. This data needs to be relevant to the task. For example, to write marketing copy, you'd need lots of examples of successful marketing copy. We'll cover data formats and quality. This is where we use specialized software and libraries to adjust the LLM's internal settings based on your training data. Think of this as gently guiding the puppy to perform the desired tricks, step by step. We'll explore common tools and techniques, without deep dives into the complex math. After training, you need to see how well your LLM performs. This is like testing if your dog can reliably perform the new trick. We'll discuss metrics for assessing accuracy and performance. Finally, we'll talk about deploying your finely tuned LLM into a real-world application, like integrating it into your website or app. We'll discuss practical considerations like cost and efficiency. We'll provide resources and links to further your learning and help you explore more advanced techniques for fine-tuning LLMs. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.